that's where the sink drain is going to go. Always mark it from the inside so I know where it's going to end up in the cabinet. No battery. All right, I'm going to turn this off. Hello everybody. We're waiting for that battery to charge up, so that's going to take a little while before I can finish off the drain. But I did get something interesting today. This is a Ventline, yeah. Powered round vent. It's 6 inches around. It's got a turbine fan inside of it. There's the power wire. Off and on switch right here. And you mount it up through the ceiling, and this sits on top of the roof. And I've got the perfect spot for it. What you do is you pull down on this handle and this pops up. And then you turn it on. It's great for the bathroom. That's where I'm going to put this. I've got a 6-inch speaker hole in the ceiling of the bathroom, and I think this will be great. Only 68 bucks too. That's a nice thing about it on Amazon, so that's going to be nice to put in there. I was wondering what I was going to do with that hole in the ceiling there. I didn't want to leave the old ugly speaker grate in there, old metal one. So I'll show you where it's going. Let me pull you off there. All right, hope that didn't get you too topsy-turvy there. It's kind of dark in here right now, but I think you can see it. Right there. This bus had a speaker right there. And this is where the bathroom's going to be, down here. And right there next to the seat, that was the intercom system, the CB radio intercom system. And these were just basically intercom speakers, you know. Bus driver would get on there and say, "Shut up and sit down." I've got another one back here, right there. And that's right above the galley area. I was thinking about maybe getting another one and putting it in there and use it to extract smoke out of here. But the big vent's just right here. So I'm not sure if that wouldn't just be a waste of time or not. Anybody wants to comment on that, just say so. Anyway, I'm waiting for the battery, and I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Well, I put the battery in there, and I put it in there for a little test fit, and the plug just fell through. So I didn't even have to film that, I guess. I have to bring the pipe from the outside in because of the thickness of the wall and how much room I have here. And oh no. I got to get a different type of clamp than that one. The tightener part on that clamp is just too big to go in the hole, and I can't go any larger than 1.5 inch hole because of the width of these screws on this end here. Well, I guess I'm dead in the water for right now. I got to find me another clamp. All right, people. Sometimes it just goes like this. You guys have a good day. I'm not putting very much pressure on at all. Well, I'm going to take it in and put maybe 2 or 3 more coats on it. I want it nice and thick. I like it shiny. I did make an upper shelf for above the galley. It'll run full length of the galley, 4 feet long. I'll show it to you. Sorry about that. Goofed up with my camera there again. But this shelf is going to fit right above the galley. This is the back edge of it here. It's inset a little bit for the notch in the wall, so it'll snug up tight. You're actually looking at the underside of it because it's upside down right now, but it looks basically the same way the other way. And this would be good for storing pantry items, I guess. I'm going to be having an open shelf system on the bus, and I'm going to put some black netting up there to make sure everything stays in place. I'm going to do that on all the shelving in there. Not a real big fan of doors, especially clunky doors that get in the way, and they take up a lot of room and they're heavy. Trying to keep the weight down as much as possible, even though I am building this mostly out of 3/4 inch birch plywood. The birch plywood and the hardwood, you know, it weighs quite a bit. Okay, that's all I have to show you for right now, and I'll catch you on the next time. You guys have a good day.